In this video, we are going to look at how to change the label sets or alignment labels in Civil 3D. Currently on my screen, I have an alignment. You can see we have some labels here, chainages or the stations at 20-meter interval. We have the design speed and we have labels at the alignment geometry points like curve start, curve midpoint, curve endpoint likewise. So if you want to change these label sets, that means these all are these all acting as a label set. So you have to, if you want to change all these label sets at once, this is how to do that. So this is particularly for one alignment. It will not, if you have several alignment, it will not change the labels on all these alignments, but you can change the labels on one alignment. So I click on the alignment, right click, go to edit alignment labels. Then you have these labels loaded into your uh, style area here. So then you have to go to this import label set. Go to there. If you don't want to see any of the labels, you click no labels, and this area will be vacant, no empty. This area will become empty, no label styles will be shown up here. So when you click apply, you will see no labels will be applying here. So if you don't want any labels, actually you can set this label style. So then if you want other labels like major or minor only, you can set that one. If you apply it, you will see only major and minor labels. You don't see any geometry point labels. Likewise, you can test with all these options, all these label sets, and see what is more suited to you and select the correct one you need. So also we can modify the label styles if you want to, but in this video our target is to change the label set or label style on the alignment. So this is how to do that.